all of these, this is why I loved him. All of these were less than $2. Yani, all of these, and it's not like it's a lot because those are fruits and vegetables. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie Kabeni. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the continued support. I want to do like a little unboxing with you guys. I show you a few things that I got. I'm not sure whether I'm going to combine this video with the rest of the clips. If I do, I think you have seen them already before seeing this part. So I've been seeing those TikTok lives and they do have some nice quality things. This is what I got. And I don't know who is a size medium or large who can fit here. Honestly. Yes, it does stretch, but still there's no way I can fit in here. This is beyond being snatched. The type of snatched that can make you even faint or die because of not breathing. So the cover that I'm using right now, it doesn't have anywhere where I can put the charm. So I saw this thing on these things. I saw them on Temu. So what you do is you take one of these, oops, tin like that. So you put back your phone and then you put your charm right over here. Mics, tiny mics for the phone. This one, they come in twos, the two of them. So I got these ones. They were being sold 8 of them. So you can see there are several. You have pink, no, peach, pink, blue, all of these. This is why I loved him. All of these were less than $2. The whole night yesterday. And this is how. So I had that car cover and I covered my car, so at least all I have to do is take it out. But you can see the rest of the cars the way they are covered. Minnesota is so weird. Last week was so nice. Now look at this. Birthday yesterday. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. So there's a video that I've been recording from Monday through Friday. I did record on Monday and Tuesday, but something happened on Wednesday. I felt so sick. I fell sick to a point, hey, I don't even know. I was just trying to recover back and like feeding my body energy. I've also been like slow with myself, with my body, because I want to fully take time to recover. Hi guys. So today is on a Sunday. It's March 16th. Sorry guys, the last 2 weeks has been, I don't even know what to say. They have just been ups and downs, and I don't know, I've just been feeling so weird. And I don't know whether it's the retrograde or something. I checked online and I saw like so many people who are going through some two weird things, and then they said, oh, maybe because there's a Mercury retrograde. I guess that's how it's called. So yeah, I'm going to the store. I have been eating mashakura and I'm so tired of them. And when I think of the food that I've been eating the last 2 weeks, I'm like, ew, 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 ew. Stores to go to, 4 of them. So this is the dinner ideas, and then I have the ingredients that I need over here. So I want you guys to come with me. I am going to try as much as possible to vlog. Today is on a Sunday and most people tend to do their grocery shopping on Saturday and Sunday. So I'm trying to go there early. Right now it's 10:11, so that at least I don't like find the stores too congested. We are done with the first store. I was getting some vegetables? I would say fruits, not vegetables. I was getting some fruits, and let me see on the list some of the things that are remaining. I don't have a pen to cancel out, but fruits, mushroom, onion, we got all those things. So next we are going to go to Sam's Club, which is like just across where I am right now. And then no, I'm gonna start with the gas. I'm gonna start with gas and then go to Sam's Club and then finish up with Walmart. And then I have to go to another store to get my breakfast stuff. I eat very village-like breakfast, and I'm gonna show you where I get it. We are done with Aldi. I'm here in line waiting for the people who are in front to be done so that I can gas. But get in here. guys. Whew, my hands are freezing. It's so cold outside. It's 28. Eh. So I'm done with Sam's Club. I'm done with, you know what, some of these things I'm going to do them tomorrow. So I'm done with Aldi, I'm done with Sam's Club getting the food and also the gas for the car. So the other thing was Walmart and Oriental Market. Oriental Market is where I get my breakfast stuff like kinangwashe, ndoma, all those things. And there has been a change on my schedule for tomorrow, so I'm going to be free in the afternoon. So I'm thinking I'm gonna push Walmart and the breakfast things to tomorrow instead. So the only thing left right now is going home and starting this meal prep. This meal prep has to be done today because I don't want to eat mashakura anymore. Not anymore. I'm so tired. And I don't know what's going on with my body too. I feel like I've not been having such a great appetite. And I've been eating very bad. So I want to go back to eating healthy. Eating healthy food at the same time try and bring back my appetite. So let's go home. We are done. We're gonna go home and start this meal prep. Meal prep. Oh, okay. We're back at the house. Let me show you everything that I got. This is what I got. Yani, all of this, and it's not like it's a lot because those are fruits and vegetables, alafu maji nini. These things costed me 100. And kitambo you used to, not so kitambo, but I do remember, like, it wasn't like this. It wasn't this bad. And Trump said he was going to reduce the food prices, but I don't see any change. I don't see any change. And I don't know what goes on that affects like the food, the stand. I don't know whether they do this on purpose or not, but if you have access to organic food, please do not take that thing lightly. And there's this guy on Instagram. His name is, I think, DJ Boaka or DJ Oboaka. And he was trying to explain something that many farmers and African leaders or us as Africans we have been blinded on for so long. And this is what he was saying. Let me just use America for this case. He was saying that this side, the western side, goes to Africa to buy the most organic foods at the lowest price, and then when they come on this other side they sell, I don't know, the most outrageous prices you can ever hear. For example, coffee. I don't know whether you grew up seeing like your grandparents or your parents growing coffee or tea, but for my case, I did. Remember my shosho, she ended up cutting all her coffee trees and branches because of how bad they were selling, how bad these people were buying the coffee from farmers like my shosho. So 1 kilo, I remember, I think 1 kilo ilikuwa, sijui kama ilikuwa 70 bob or 100 bob, and it got way worse because they were delaying their pay, they were treating them, I don't know, like vibaya too. But then when you come on this other side, a cup of coffee is nowhere below 7. It's 7 and above, $7 and above. But then when you go home, you're buying a whole kilo that's going to produce a whole lot of cups of coffee only for 70 bob only. Man, I don't know. So this guy was saying like it's high time we take the only thing, especially like for Kenya, the thing that we are so big on or we are supposed to be taking pride on is agriculture, because our soil is good, red soil, all those things. So he was trying to explain that it's a thing like the, I don't know how to call it, they come to you and show you how worthless your food is, but then they take the same food at a very low price and then come on this other side and sell times 3 times 10 times. So I feel like with this yapping, I'm trying to say, if we get to a place where us as Africans, we can take pride in whatever like we are big on, which is agriculture, and we stop having like places like America coming to buy coffee beans from us and then they take the finest and then throw the rest, like the end product, to us. That would be so nice, because I feel like America cannot survive without foods from other countries. First, because of the weather, and second, because of the soil. They don't have the best soil to have like some of the best foods have in Africa. So I don't know. I hope one day we get there. I hope one day we get there where like agriculture in Kenya is such a big, it's almost the same level as tourism. I hope we get there someday. I don't know how I'm gonna put this camera in a way. I got salmon. I'm going to show you guys how I cut this and put it in the freezer for the days that I want to eat it. I don't cook it all at once. I just cut it into small pieces and then I put it in the freezer. And I'm not supposed to be eating wheat-ish things, but I got kombucha. I got the 6-pack from Sam's Club. Broccolini, the long one. Got two. I got mushrooms. Sometimes I like to switch up my breakfast a bit. Organic bananas. I tend to stay away from bananas a lot here because I feel like they taste so weird, but sometimes I feel like I need that fiber, so I'm going to use those bananas in a smoothie. Yeah. Potatoes, part of the menu, it has mashed potatoes, so that's why I got this. Got some red grape, kiwi, corn. I got some sweet potatoes, but these ones are not the ones that I have for breakfast, so I'm planning to make sweet potato fries with this one. Avocado, some pears, onion, onions, and one pineapple. This is my favorite fruit. Usually when I'm doing a meal prep, I like to prep my things. So I'm going to prep my nyanyas and then I'm going to prep my kitungu. But first I feel like I need to eat something. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat anything when I left. So this is what I do to my salmon. I cut it into, can you see, smaller pieces. Like I have 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to throw it in the freezer for the day that I feel like I want to eat salmon. So instead of cooking the whole thing and I'm forced to eating it like ndoishe, so that's what I do. So I have my things ready. I have my onion. Okay, I have my broccoli over here, and then I have my corn and the sweet potato that I had told you guys that I'm planning to make like sweet potatoes fries. And then I have my warus ready for, that will be mashed potatoes, and then I have salmon over here. I'm going to cook and then come back and show you what I've once I'm done. Hi guys, it's 7:41. I'm having dinner right now, and I ate some croissants, 2 croissants earlier on. That's why I was feeling like my stomach was so full, and I delayed to have dinner. So let me show you what I'm having. From today's meal prep, You have salmon, and then we have broccolini, and then we have mashed potatoes and the mash. Oh no, it's called what? The mushroom soup. I got a few like soup from the mushroom that I had cooked for breakfast because this food is so dry. I don't know why I didn't think about that, but it's okay. I think I'll have to be making like a soup for it when I'm eating this specific food. And even though people say this wa Kikuyu mnapenda supu, oh, nini nini, how can you eat such dry food without soup? Those allegations, they're not even allegations at this point. Ni ukweli. You guys are the ones who are. How do you eat food without soup? Utanyongwa ukufe. That's why you need soup. That's why you need Kikuyus to put a whole mtungi of soup in your food. So I'm just going to have dinner. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Have a good day, whatever time that you're watching this. And I'm going to see you tomorrow. So this is what I got. I got this at Walmart, skuma and spinach, and then I got this. This is turmeric for ginger shots, and then I got some ground beef. It's been so long since I ate ground beef. We are running low on rice. I got rice. I got some plantain. I'm gonna have to be so patient with this one so that they can ripe. When they ripe, they're so good. So this is gouache. I got 2 gouaches, and then this is cassava. So I have had some issues with the Oriental market nearby because every time I buy cassava, it turns out to be bad. So what I did, I crushed this one to make sure it's good on the inside, and then I went ahead and bought it. So these ones are from the same store. This one is from a different store, which is also an Oriental market. These two. So I want to be able to tell. Usually this is where I go. Where I bought this is where I go to buy, and most of the time they have like zinakuwa zimeharibika. So what I did, I scratched this one. I don't know whether you can see here. I scratched it so that I can see on the inside, and they sort of seemed fresh, so I'm positive about these. But these ones, I'm sure they're fresh since I cut this one into 2. Hi guys, I have a few things I want to show you that I got from Shein. So I got this kabag. There are 3 of them. It's like, I think you can have them, I think you can put makeup in them, or you can do like a travel essential type of thing. So they come in 3. This is the biggest one, the middle one, and the last one, the tiny one. So this is how it's supposed to be. It's like a 3-layer type of chain, and of course it's not like real gold. Oh, it's 2 of them. I think it's cute. It looks like that. Bag holders for the car. You see that part of the driver's chair and the passenger chair? So you just hook this in, and then you can hang your bag over here and here. This is how it looks. Yeah. The same exact one. This is how they look. I'm not going to remove them from the casing. That's cute.